Okay, it's a video on the Oliver. We don't know the actual model because it isn't on there. I believe it's about a 50 horse, maybe 60. Nice old tractor. It runs good. Doesn't have any 3-point hitch drawbars. It has the hydraulics out the back. Looks like somebody just put some new hoses on it. But it does not have any arms. The arms are not there.
Hours unknown.
Hours are unknown. He's gonna fire it up and show you what it'll do.
Get on here.
If you got a disc you want to pull, it'll probably be great for that. If you want to just drive it around, it'd be really good for that. Hey, push in the thing.
Oh, yep. Sorry.
He's still learning, people. Just
shut off.
He's still learning. Sounds good. Show us what it'll do. Oh, you know what? I do believe it has power steering, but it does not work. Does power steering work? Not very much. What is that noise? What's that noise? Oh, it's the alternator right there. That's what it is. Other than that, it runs pretty good. Just look at it. What are you doing shutting it off?
Yeah, I got the shut off. Don't forget the shut off.
Nice. Okay, that's it. Whoa. Yeah. Alrighty. Buy it like you see it. Bye-bye.